This is Muhammad Shoidul Islam Beperio. Now I am going to talk about some rules or methods or systems that can help you to make simple sentence into complex sentence. That means simple to complex. Simple to complex. This is part 2. Now look at the example. By going to market, he bought a dress. Again, look at the formation of the sentence. Absolutely, this is a simple sentence because there is only one subject, one finite verb. But what the feature does the sentence have? By plus gerund. That means by plus verb plus ing after the main verb, and it works both as noun and verb. So the sentence starts with by plus gerund. If you find this type of sentence as a simple sentence, you can change in this way. First of all, you have to bring if in place of by. Then you have to bring subject. Here is subject. Then you have to bring verb. Here lies a verb. If it will be past or present, it depends on this verb. If it is past tense, it will be past. If it is present tense, it will be present tense. If it is past tense, so we can use went. Past tense of go. It is done. So you can write the remaining part of the sentence. That is, to market, he bought a dress. I repeat, when you find this type of sentence, the sentence start with by plus gerund, then you have to make it into complex in this way. First of all, you have to use if. Then you have to bring subject. There is a subject, so you have to put this subject here. Then you will have to use a verb. It is past or present, it depends on this verb, and past verb comes from here. So if he went to market, he bought a dress. It is done into complex sentence. Now look at example. Without reading books, you cannot pass. So this is absolutely a simple sentence, but what the feature does the sentence have? This is without plus gerund. That means without plus verb plus ing after the main verb. If you find this type of sentence, you have to use first of all if. Then you have to bring subject. Here is a subject, you. Then you have to use do not or did not. If it is in present tense, you have to use do not. If it is in past tense, you have to use didn't. Then you have to use main verb. Here is a verb, you have to use the main verb. That means verb 1. Read books, already done. Now we can write the remaining part. You cannot pass. So the major changes are, first of all if, then you have to bring or put subject, then do not or did not, then main verb, and the remaining part will be unchanged. It will be not changed. So the sentence is, if you don't read books, you cannot pass. Now look at the example. He is too weak to work. So It is a different type of simple sentence having the feature to plus adjective plus to. That means there is to, then adjective, then to. If you find this type of simple sentence, then you have to change in this way into complex sentence. First of all, you have to use subject. Here is subject, here is verb. In place of to, we have to use so. Then you have to use adjective. Then in place of to, we can use that. Then you have to bring subject. Here is a subject, he. Then you have to use cannot or could not. If it is in present tense, you can use cannot. If it is in past tense, you can use could not. So here is present tense. I am using cannot. Then the remaining verb or part of the sentence. So the sentence is, he is so weak that he cannot walk. Now I have talked about three types of simple sentence: by plus gerund, with the plus gerund, then to dot dot to or to plus adjective plus to. These three types of simple sentence you have to make to complex sentence in this way. I think if you follow these rules, it will help you to make correctly. So thank you for watching my lesson. Thank you.